Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a walk around, startup, and drive video on this 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. You don't see too many of them finished in these colors, this color combination. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. Kind of a brown with a gold bottom, gold interior. What a gorgeous car. Now, this car has been repainted at one time. They've done a very, very nice job on it. You know, I would probably say the paint job is a 8, 7.5, 8 out of 10, I would call it. It's got BF Goodrich, Goodyear Eagle tires on it with the gold IROC Z rims on this car. The interior in it is very, very clean. This is just like we got this car. It was that clean when we bought it. You notice the dash is not cracked right here like most of them are. Tilt wheel, factory cruise control, factory power windows, factory air conditioning. Horn works. Radio works. You can't tune anything in here. Rear window defrost. If the lighter works, we'll find that out. Wipers work. Power hatch works. Power windows work. $62,573 original miles in this car. The car was out of an estate. The RPO codes there. I think it had a couple bulbs that were maybe out. There's the rear heat shield. Has a car cover in there with it as well. Carpet's in very nice shape. The plastic looks good. I'm going to order some new struts for the hood and struts for the rear deck lid on this car. Because those are both needing replaced. We'll have pictures of the undercarriage of this car online as well. Again, dash is not broke over there. It does have, if you look here real close, it's got one ding right here in the fender. If you're at the right angle, you can just barely see it. Point that out to you. The glass is all in real good shape on the car. We just put a new battery in it this morning. Hood light works. has been converted to 134. I think it probably needs a little bit of Freon put in it. Nice clean car. Tires are nice, they look good. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.KinyonAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Let's take this baby out for a little cruise. Probably shut off those headlights. I won't be needing those. Goes down the road good. Steering's nice, tight. This is, as you know, this is probably the worst road in the state of Iowa, or one of them. But the car runs good, drives good. Transmission shifts like it's supposed to. Fuel gauge works, speedometer works, tach. Control even works. Just a real good car, ladies and gentlemen. 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.KinyonAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this 1984 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro, give us a call. Or maybe one of the other cars we have in stock. Check out our website, KinyonAuto.com. Thanks for watching our videos. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.